In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your mutual friends on Facebook. By default, Facebook shows your mutual friends when someone views your profile. But if you want to keep this information private, you can easily change the settings. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to the bottom. Tap Settings and Privacy. And then tap Settings. So the thing is that Facebook doesn't allow us to just hide our mutual friends. To hide your mutual friends, you have to hide your entire friend list from everyone. To do that, scroll down until you see an option called How People Find and Contact You. Tap on it. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Who Can See Your Friends List, which is set to public. Which means anyone who uses Facebook can see your friends list and mutual friends. To hide your mutual friends on Facebook, simply tap on it. And then select Only Me. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.